Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you the steps on how you can use Seesaw class app. So the first one, like usual, you have to type Seesaw in your search bar and then click this one. So the next step is you have to choose who you are. So for me, I am the teacher and you have to sign in or create your account. So I choose to sign in with my Google account and then the layout will appear like this. Okay, so let's look at the features that we have in the Seesaw class app. So as you can see here, I already have two classes, which is English and Mathematics. You can create your new class and you can name your class and choose your grade and also tick done after you done choosing all of this. So let's say I want to tell you about my mathematics class. Here we have the message features and then we have the library. So we have the three parts of the library, which is Seesaw library, my library, which is your library, and the community library. So here you can choose all the tasks that already have in the community library. So for example, I want to use this one. So I just click and we have two options here, either to present to the class or to assign to the class. So for example, I want to present to the class, just click it and I just have to edit here when presenting to my class. So back to the activity, you can also assign your students by clicking this button. So if you have many classes, then you can choose what class you want to assign this task. For example, I want to assign to the both class, I can click like this, or for now I want to assign for my mathematics class only. So click next, and here you can edit either you want to assign this to all students or certain students in your class. Alright, so you have the starting date, you have the due date, and many features here you can manage. So you just clicking assign now and you can go to the class. Alright, so let's look back at the Seesaw library. So in the Seesaw library, you also have a variety of tasks that you can assign to your students. So let's say we choose this one and you can choose what types of Seesaw library providing to you. Let's say I want to choose this. So same like the community library, you can present to the class or assign. And here the best part is you have the lesson plan. So this is benefit to the teacher. So my library, I will explain to you in details after this. Alright. So for now, you have add button here. You can click this. So there is a three options for you: either add to your student journal, assign activity, or create activity or assessment. So let's say I want to add the student journal. I can choose what journal I want to assign to the students. Let's say the photo, I can take a photo and then send to the student, or drawing, video, or any file, such as PDF form or image, video. I can upload the notes here. I can type whatever I want and assign to the students, or I can provide my students the links. Alright. Okay, and then let's move to the assign activity. You can choose the activity that have in the Seesaw library like I showed just now, or you can create your activity or assessment. Okay, so just rename the activity, and then there are all features that you can edit here. You can also creating Canva, you can put the assessment, upload resources, link, and also the notes. Alright, so here is the journal page, which when students complete activities, their work will appear in the class journal. So the next one is activities page. You can view your activities that you assign to your students according to the date. Here is the date that you can click, and they will show you which activity that you assigned for that date. For the next one is progress. You can know or you can see which students have completed your activities, the task, or which students has not done yet. And the next one is the notifications. The new notifications about activity will appear here. So let's move back to the journal page. And then we have settings buttons here. You can manage your settings here, such as you can change your class theme. Let's say I want to use this one. So it will change the theme. Alright. So we have variety of features here that you can edit or manage later. And the last one is the students button and families button here. So if I want to add my students to my class, I just click this one, and I have two options, which is want the students to sign in the Seesaw using their SSO account or email address, or not using the email address. So I choose yes, and then this is how the students have to enter my class, or I just have to share this code. So students just have to put into their Seesaw, and it will automatically enter my class. Okay, so we have edit students here. You can email students with instructions. Alright. Okay, and then we have families button. If let's say I want to invite the parents of my students, but then I have to add students first. For now, I do not add my students yet, so these family buttons will not function yet. Okay, so after I'm done put my students, I can invite their family members, their parents, to make sure the parents know the activity, the progress of their child, and can know what types of learning, what is the task given from the teachers, and it will benefit to the students and also the parents. Okay, so that's all my explanation about the Seesaw Class App. I hope this will help you in creating your Seesaw Class App. Alright, thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back. So if the previous video I show you on how the teachers can use the Seesaw Class App, so for this video I will show you on how you can use Seesaw app if you are the student. So just search on your search bar and then click this one. Okay, choose who you are, which is a student, and I'm deciding to sign in with my Google account. Alright, and it will appear like this. Okay, so for now I have two classes. So let's say you are new to the Seesaw Class app. You just have to join the class and put the code given from your teacher. Then it will automatically link to your teacher's class. Alright? So let's say I want to choose the mathematics class. So here we have a journal page, which is I can add something here, which is my journal. Same button like this one. So the features here, it seems like the previous video of the teachers I shown before. You have a photo, drawing, video, and upload any kinds of media or file that you have, notes, and also the link. Okay, so I can see there is two activities here. So I can click this one and then add response to my activities that my teacher has assigned to me. So I can add my response, and this will automatically save in the Seesaw and will link to the teachers. Okay, so I choose like this, and here is the notifications button, and also the notifications about new activities will appear here. And yeah, that's all for the students. If the latest update about the Seesaw class app will update from the teachers, so it will appear to the students Seesaw class app too. Alright, so that's all from me. I hope this will help you in using Seesaw class app. Right, that's all. Thank you.